Hi everyone, this is Dr. Shiva. I'm here with Dorothy in beautiful Haverhill. And by the way, this is a home that Dorothy designed, right?
My son's built it.
And her son's built it. Dorothy's what, 94?
Yeah, 3.
So 93. Look at her health. And she eats all really good food. What were you telling me, Dorothy? All farm-grown food?
I grew up on a farm and I ate the way that we ate growing up on a farm.
And what'd you say about Monsanto?
I had to throw away my Roundup because of what I found out they were doing. That's terrible. We're eating that and it goes into the ground and it don't come out. I have somebody else that turned me on to that a little bit.
And Elizabeth Warren voted for the Monsanto Protection Act, so none of us can sue Monsanto if they poison us. So that's what she voted for.
We need a change, and this is it. Please vote. Make your vote count.
Thank you. Thanks, Dorothy. Thank you very much. Shiva for Senate, thank you.